Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's review is about herbal hair wash powder. It is from this brand called VCare. So it is called VCare Herbal Hair Wash and Conditioner. It has 12 herbs in it, and this is very good for cleansing and conditioning your hair, and it removes excess oil and dirt from your hair. It's very good, and it is the best formula. Instead of shampoo, you can use it. You can oil your hair and apply this as a conditioner, or you can use it as a shampoo. Just after applying oil, get into the shower and make a paste out of it with water and apply it on your hair and wash off, and the coconut oil is gone. In a jiffy it is gone. So you don't have to use another shampoo or anything. This is enough to remove your hair oil, and it is very good for your hair. And after I started, I think I'm using this for the past 1 year. So after I started using this, my hair fall has reduced, and my density also has increased. You can see my hair, it's so shiny and healthy. Yeah, so I have not applied any conditioner, only a leave-in serum after hair wash. So this is how it is, and you can mix it with water. In this directions of use, they have mentioned you can mix it with water and use, but I mix it with yogurt or curd. I mix it with curd and apply it on my hair, because curd has probiotics in it, and it has antibacterial properties. So I use curd with this, and curd also helps in nourishing your hair and makes your hair strong and healthy. So I mix it with curd. If you are not comfortable with curd and you catch cold very easily, even I have sinus, so I catch cold very easily, but still I somehow manage. I leave it, I apply it as a conditioner for say about 10 minutes or 15 minutes, then I wash it off. Or as a shampoo, apply oil, get into the shower and apply this powder, and nicely you start scrubbing your hair like how you do with a shampoo, and you can wash it off. When you're using this as a shampoo, it gives a little bit of froth comes out. So it's not like shampoo, it's not like it doesn't froth up like shampoo, but it is better than shampoo for your hair, and in a long run your hair will be healthy, and less hair fall and shiny and healthy. So how do you like my hair? Doesn't it look amazing? So I'll take off my clips and show you. Look at that. So this is how my hair looks after the hair wash. I washed it in the morning, and I let it air dry. I don't use any hair dryers or any heating tools. So this is my natural hair. I have wavy hair, and my hair fall was very bad, I think around 1 year or 1.5 years back. Now it's reduced. In a day, I think we all lose maybe 100 to 150 strands of hair. That is very common, but more than that is like very bad. So this is how my hair looks. Hope you like it. Do try it. It's really good, and let me know in the comment section how it is. And this is quite cheap also. It retails only for 55 rupees. So this packet you can use it for I think 3 uses, because I have thick hair and long hair. So this comes for 3 washes. I think if you have short hair and thinner hair than mine, maybe you can use it 4 or 5 times. So this is VCare Herbal Hair Wash and Conditioner. Do try and let me know, okay? Okay guys, hope you like this video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and do let your friends also know. Ask them also to subscribe and like and share. Okay. See you until next time for with more amazing and exciting videos. Until then, it's bye from Arpana Mark. Bye.